Yo, check it out. Mudroom going in Brewster. 3 really deep drawers, tons of space. A pull-out bench for a cramped mudroom where you can sit down, take your boots off after a hard day's work, and then you just tuck it right back in so you don't lose any space. Got the cubbies underneath. Up top, got this really big cabinet with these Bloom HK Adventos hinges. They open garage door style. They stay open in any configuration and have a limiting stop so they don't smash into the ceiling. We're going to have an oak floating shelf in between for a sort of a coffee bar, coffee mug station. And across from this cabinet, we're going to have a very skinny bookshelf that will house the Dyson vacuum.